Hi, it's Gina with your note of the week. This week's note is about labels from tags. So under inventory, have you ever noticed this button, labels from tags? Wondered what it really did? Well, simply put, labels from tags will allow you to print price tags from posted documents, like receivers or purchase orders or transfers. So when I go into labels from tags and I go into the event number lookup, there's very limited information here. An event number, which really doesn't have any meaning to me. A tag source, well, that has meaning. I see purchase orders, I see receivers, I see transfers, and then a posting date. A limitation of this lookup is I have no way of knowing which items are on which documents. So here's a good example. I did some receiving in early July. You can see I did 2 receivers the same day. I know one of the receivers had apparel items on it, and one of the receivers had gift items, but I don't know which. So I need to figure out which one of these receivers is associated with the event for gift or for apparel. Now, it turns out when I post a receiver, Counterpoint does prompt me to print for labels. When I was receiving the apparel, I had apparel labels in my label printer. So when I was prompted, I went ahead and I printed the labels for the apparel. When I did the receiving for the gifts, I was out of gift label stock. Now I have the stock in and I'm ready to print labels. So let me figure out which one of these receivers has my gift items. I'm going to close out of here, and select Purchasing, Reports, and History. Now, anytime you post anything in Counterpoint, it does become part of your permanent history. So I'm going to come here to Receivings History. Be careful with history reports. If you don't employ filters, you might end up getting more information than you bargained for. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the Receiving History tab. I'm going to filter for the receiving date in early July, and I'm going to click on Preview. So here's one receiver. This is the receiver with my apparel items, and in the header, I can see it's associated with the event 700521. Well, I've already labeled the apparel. Let me go to the next receiver. The next receiver, which does have my gift items, is tied to event 700522. So now I know which event to print labels from. I'll exit from this report. I'll go back to inventory, labels from tags, go into the event number lookup, select event number 700522 because this is the event with the gift items. Click OK, and then go ahead and print my labels. Hope you found this helpful. Talk to you again next week. Thanks for joining me for this session of Note of the Week. Hope to see you again soon. We would love to hear from you. If you would like to submit a question for Note of the Week, email training@cksystem.com and on the subject line, type Note of the Week. If you would like to schedule training time or request a free training catalog, call me at 888-476-7911, extension 3. Talk to you next week. Bye.